Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the sound in the Twist application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the left. And within this section, look for the sound button. And if you click on that and the lines disappear, it means that the sound is off. And if you click on it again and the lines appear, it means that the sound is on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.